Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Women, about the coming to the mosque. There's a hadith about Prophet said, if your wife asks a permission from you to go into the mosque, do not forbid her. You cannot forbid her, but you have to have, like you have to have dividers between them, separate them. But you cannot forbid her coming to the mosque. But another hadith says, it's better for them to pray at home. Because at home they are close to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Because our wives are not housewives. You know, they're not married to the house. They're house makers. That's why, as Prophet said, they are close and they're home, they pray at home, they're closer to the home. But if she wants to come to the masjid, do not tell her not to come. Let her come. Your answers are from the Quran and the Hadith, 30 Hadiths. About the jihad, the woman wants to fight. Aisha may Allah peace with her. Oh Allah's Apostle, should we participate in holy battle and jihad along with you? She asked. Prophet replied, he said, the best and the most superior jihad for a woman is Hajj, which is accepted by Allah. And Aisha, may Allah peace with her, she said, ever since I heard that from Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, I have determined not to miss one Hajj. You see, women are like partners, you know. We have to respect her through the Quran, through the Sharia, Islam and the Quran. But now we do have some women who have accepted a Jahiliyyah or the world of Jahiliyyah. And there are some women who are obedient to Allah. There is no woman in this earth more beautiful than a Muslimah woman. When she's covered, when she dresses for Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. She dresses for Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, makes sure Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is pleased with her. When she looks in the mirror, she makes sure Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is pleased with her. If you study more about the woman in Islam, you will respect her more. If you see, the first person who embraced Islam was a woman, Khadija. May Allah please with her. The first person who died for Islam was a woman, Sumayya. May Allah please with her. The great scholar of Islam was a woman, Aisha. May Allah please with her. The person who loved the Prophet the most was a woman, Fatima. The person who made the biggest sacrifice in Islam was a woman, Khansa. One of the greatest fighters in Islam was a woman, Kawwal bin Aqsa. She fought on the back of the horse, killed many kuffar, and spurred the mujahideen to go on. But how our women, the daughter of Islam, are planning to resurrect it with these women. These women who follow the same deen, and Khadija and Aisha follow, may Allah be pleased with them all. So start with covering, not to just coming in the mosque, cover, not for Jumu'ah prayer, cover for Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Make sure Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is pleased with you. This is the order of Allah. No, not for a man, not for anyone. It's Allah's order. Allah has given you the order to cover. If they ask you, but friends, if they ask you, if this, is it hard? Aren't you hard in somewhere? Aren't you hard in this hijab? Tell them, it's harder in hell. It's harder in Jahannam. Ask them, I question them, what's the color was Maryam? What was her hair color? They won't tell you, they won't have the answer. Every sweat it drops in your hijab will be much heavier in the scale in the day of judgment. Don't be the one who dresses to attract the opposite sex. Prophet Muhammad said, Kasiyatu, Aliyatu, Maliyatu, Mulik Mumila. Women who have clothes on, but they are naked. They are very close, but if they were not wearing anything. They sway side to side. I'm trying to make it as much family khutbah. So inshallah. So they sway by side to side. It's like talking to men or Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "La yadkhulul jannah wa la yajidna riha." They do not enter Jannah, these two types of people, and they will not even able to find the fragrance of Jannah. The woman who leaves the house with the shape of their body defined, or their hair showing, or they have perfume on. Every neck turns, every eye that look to share the sin, oh sister, of the person that committed it. The person whose eyes fall on your body, on your hair, on your parts, you get the exact same sin because you made it sin possibility. You made it available. Wallahi, mountain of sins, sin after sins, sins after sins. Don't join the army of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, sister. Don't get brainwashed. If they tell you wear black this year, you're going to wear black. They tell you to wear green this year, you're going to wear the green. Or you're going to wear the red. You are a hanger to these people. Only Islam